you also experiencing back pain? This will shock you.
Subluxation cause acid reflux. Well, the function of the stomach's not working well. How does subluxation cause depression and anxiety and sleeplessness? Well, this bone is called the atlas. It's right under your brainstem. I talked about that before. It gets shoved up into what we call the Rafe nuclei. And that's what creates your serotonin, norepinephrine, epinephrine. And if you're not producing those hormones properly, things don't work right. You can't sleep right, you have depression, you have anxiety. So as a result of taking the pressure off the nervous system, the body can function better.